Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video you are going to learn how to add and how to subtract with the help of the Abacus Kit. So you can see here, this is the kit. Already I have told you in the other videos, okay, students. And one more thing, here you can see the white dots. In this middle one we have to choose, and from here we have to start. Okay students, this is the unit place, and the left side this is the tens place, hundred place. Okay, so let us see few examples. After that you have to practice your own. Okay students, so let us see your first sum. So here you can see 32 add 57 less 36 means 32 plus 57 minus 36 is there. So let us see how to do this one. So before going to do this one, we have to make it clear. So make sure it should be 0 here, friends. Then we have to take this one middle point. Then 32 means here this is tens place, 10 20 30. Okay, and then 2 1 2. Now this is 32. Then add means we have to add 57. 57 means here it is 5 and 7. So 57 I have added here. Now we have to less means we have to subtract 36 from this one, students. So 36 means here 10 20 30. This is 36 means this is 5 and this is 1, 36. Okay, now what answer we got here? This is 5 and here 3, so 53. We have to write here 53. Okay friends, let us see two more sums, and then remaining you have to practice yourself. Okay, now let us see this one, second one. Now before going to do this one, clear this one. Now see, this is 24. So we have to do this one. This is 20. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 24. We have to add 25. So here 1, 2, 20, 5. Here upper number. This is the 5. Okay. Now we got here 4, this is 9, means 24 plus 25 it's 49. Okay, now remaining again we have to add 50. Here there is no negative sign, so we have to add 50. 50 means here it is 50. Now the answer is, you can see here, this is 99. Students, we have to write here 99. Okay students, so let us see one more example. I hope it is understood to you. Now let us see one more example. So before going to do next example, we have to make clear. So we have to use these fingers to clear. Okay, like this we have to hold. Next one, 17. So in tens place it is 1, and in ones place it is 7. So this is 2 and this is 5. So directly we can take this one. So this is 1 and this is 7, 17. Plus means we have to add 52. Here this is 5 and 2, 52. Students, now this answer is 69. Now we have to subtract, means less is there. So subtract 58. Okay, means this one we have to remove. This is 5 and 8. 58 I have removed. So now how much answer? Here only 11. So 11 is the answer. So like this you have to practice. If you are watching, please comment me this answer. Okay, and for these type of the videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.